Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open Tally shortcut keys. Using keyboard shortcuts in Tally can significantly enhance your productivity and speed up your daily tasks. Instead of navigating through menus with your mouse, you can perform actions much faster with simple key combinations. This approach helps streamline data entry, report generation, and overall software interaction, making your Tally experience more efficient and enjoyable. To manage your company's settings, simply press F11 from almost any screen in Tally. This key opens the company features screen, where you can customize various aspects of your business operations. You can enable or disable accounting features, manage inventory settings, and configure statutory and taxation options, all with just one keystroke. It's a powerful way to tailor Tally to your specific needs. Entering accounting vouchers is a core function in Tally, and shortcuts make it seamless. To change the current date for a voucher, press F2. For different voucher types, use F4 for contra entries, F5 for payments, and F6 for receipts. If you need to record a journal entry, F7 is your go-to key. These shortcuts help you quickly switch between voucher types, saving valuable time. Beyond accounting, Tally offers shortcuts for inventory and reporting. To open a sales voucher, press F8, and for a purchase voucher, use F9. When viewing reports, Alt plus F1 will expand the details, giving you a comprehensive view. And a crucial shortcut for saving your work is Control plus A, which accepts and saves the current screen or entry, ensuring your data is always up to date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.